Welcome back, my friends. I'm with my buddy Jesse today, and carbide is one of my favorite subjects, especially when that carbide gets to save or make you money, or both. Saving money and making money is kind of the same thing, right, Jesse?
I believe so, yes.
I believe so. We're going to talk about how some of these products here at MAPAL combine multiple operations, which is one of my favorite topics, because I used to just have an end mill. That end mill made a cut, and then I switched to another end mill, and that end mill made a cut, and so on and so forth. And sometimes I didn't have enough tools, tool changer options, and tools to run a job I was trying to run. But with parts like you make here, with end mills like you make here, combining those operations in one tool, that's kind of your specialty, isn't it?
Yeah, we like to solve problems. We like to take multiple processes and condense them down into one for our customers.
Multiple processes condensed into one. Am I the only one who says, when we like to solve problems, I hear Vanilla Ice in my head going, if there's a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Probably shouldn't even keep that part of the video. As we get a little bit closer to this area, we can actually touch and feel one of the ones that you've made right here, right, Jesse?
Yes.
What kind of tool is this?
This is a Tritan Drill, three-fluted, for cutting aluminum. This is one of our specialty tools. The Tritan point is special to MAPAL. So we can go in with this tool at a faster feed rate than a normal two-flute drill, do a back chamfer, come out, interpolate the chamfer on the back side of the hole, and then come out. So we can do front chamfer, back chamfer, all in the same tool.
I really enjoy that type of conversation, because originally we had to get what, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tools to do something like that?
Yeah, that'd be at least 3 tools.
And a job like this, Jesse, are you making thousands of them, millions of them?
Yeah, thousands, yes.
Thousands, yes, millions. We'll get there.
We're getting there, yeah. Yeah,
the reason I bring that up is because over on the PCD side and talking with some of your other colleagues, it's sometimes a batch size of 3. Sometimes a batch size of 5, because at MAPAL, you guys really are that specialty company that someone can go to fix a problem.
Exactly. Yeah, most of our production is low volume because we are in that specialty market. So it's going to be 3-piece, 2-piece, 5-piece, because the customer only needs that because we're taking from what they needed 7 pieces for, 7 different tools, condensing it into one. So that's cost savings for them as well.
Now, I'm not sure, Jesse, if you do quoting or not, and for everyone watching, there's actually the tool running right in here. I'm not sure if we can see anything. There's so much coolant being fed right now, but that's a general idea of the tool. Now, when I think of something, I'm not sure if you do quoting or not, Jesse, but have you ever had someone go, well, the price of that tool is pretty expensive? Well, you go, yeah, but you're combining 7 tools, and at the end of the day, you're reducing cycle time and being able to do more, freeing up your tool holder, all that goes into it. But at the end of the day, this is the better route to go, I would say.
Yes, I believe so. I think that's helps our salesmen out when they can sell tools that they can say, hey, we can solve all your problems with one.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty special thing for MAPAL to be able to do.
Yeah, it makes me want to be one of your sales guys. Are you guys hiring?
Yeah, jump aboard.
We'll talk to the guys about that. All right, we're headed this direction because we're going to take a look at the software as well, because as much as I'd love to program line by line like I used to back in 2003, I don't think I can do that for these tools, can I?
No, we use Numroto software. So it works for our Volmer V-grind machines and our Saki machines, our cutter grinders. It's conversational, so when you're programming, it'll ask you certain fields to fill in, and then it'll generate a model for you. Now, there's a lot of tweaking we have to do because this is kind of a basic template, and the specialty tools that we do, there's a lot of different features that we have to use to make the tools that we're making.
Have you tried to program this line by line?
I'd probably lose my hair if I did.
Well, we don't want that. You're too young for that. Well, for everyone watching, this is the carbide area of MAPAL. This is my buddy Jesse, from the raw blank to a complex part that helps you guys to how it's actually designed. They can help you out, and they have a wonderful sales team that can talk to you about some of the issues and complications that they can solve for you as well. So Jesse, thank you so much for your time today. You did an amazing job. We appreciate you. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, reach out anytime. I'm happy to help. Jesse's happy to help. The sales team is happy. You know what? There's a lot of people happy to help. We'll talk to you again soon.